Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Dana and today I have for you these delicious butter cookies that I made, and I want to share the recipe with you. I will need 320 grams of flour, 40 grams of cornstarch, 1 egg, 180 grams of unsalted butter, 60 grams of powdered sugar, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/4 of a teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of vanillinated sugar. This one sacket has 20 grams. Is too much. I'm gonna use only 1 teaspoon to give vanilla flavor to my cookies. In a bowl, I'm gonna mix flour, cornstarch, powdered sugar, all dry ingredients. I'll mix them up. I've cut the butter in smaller pieces to be easier to incorporate in the dough. Use this dough cutter to cut the butter in smaller pieces and incorporate it in the dry ingredients at the same time. It should be like pea size around all that flour. Add 1 egg and I will start incorporating the egg and bringing all these crumbs together by squeezing mostly the dough into one piece. Use both of your hands for this step and squeeze together the dough. Might look a bit crumbly, but trust me, it will come together nicely and you will end up with a dough exactly like this one. Stretch the dough on a silicone mat. Cover it with baking paper. Use your rolling pin to stretch it in a nice and even dough sheet, and should be about 5 millimeters in thickness. I'll use the meat hammer to imprint this design on the cookie dough, as you can see, but you can also use a crystal glass that has a nice base, and with the cookie cutter I'm gonna cut around the design that I want to show and the way I like my cookies to end up at the end. I will remove the excess dough and I can stretch it again and make more cookies. And these ones I'm gonna bake them in the oven in the middle rack at 180 Celsius, 350 Fahrenheit for about 7 to 9 minutes. They will continue to cook after you took them off the oven. Let them cool down and they are ready to be served. Delicious cookies that are made really easy, as you can see, and I really hope you're gonna try the recipe and let me know your thoughts. Enjoy your day and find reasons to smile, and I'm gonna see you here next time with another recipe. Bye bye.